Good morning, everyone. I believe you are well today, and welcome to our Gold Rush Daily. And yeah, it has been an amazing week. All this has been our setup that we have been taking. On Tuesday, this was Monday. We got a setup 100 pips. On Tuesday, we got two setups, 100 pips each. So those are 300 pips. We hit a stop loss minus 50 pips, so that's 250. Yesterday we made 100 pips, so that's about 350 pips. And yeah, before this sell here, we were waiting for the price to come here so that we can sell. But now that it created a BOS, the reason why we took a sell here. Also, we were expecting the price to come down to this point for us to be able to buy. Okay, so this point still remains relevant in terms of buying. But during the Asian kill zone, the price, this level was able to be activated, and whoever took these trade, the early birds, this should be a TP hit already, 100 pips. All right, so you can see that 100 pips, pop, done. Okay, so for those who wake up early, for me, I was honestly asleep. I don't need to wake up that much early at that hour, man. All right, so but okay. So maybe waking up to do other things, like maybe probably morning devotions, but not really an active trader during these Asian kill zone. All right. So what are we looking at today? Okay. So let's go to the daily time frame and begin looking at it from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, yesterday was bearish. We see today also trying being pushing on the bearish side. Remember the reaction is from this daily order block that we have here because we have a BOS. So we have this daily order block there. That's what really is preventing prices from pushing higher. When it comes to the 4 hour time frame, what we are seeing here is some consolidation of prices. You see the price is consolidating, and actually it's giving us we have that, and also something like that. Okay, so another bullish peanut, all right, another bullish peanut. And yeah, you'll just allow me, I'll not delete these because these are my setups. I really don't like deleting them, so I believe you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so right now we see the price having created these BOS here. Okay, having created the BOS there, so the price pushing to these order block, all right? So that's where the price is reacting from that particular order block, and right now it's about 30 pips in profit thereabout. Okay, but remember, this is not the best time to take the trades because it's not during the kill zone, all right? So we have to wait. We usually prefer taking the trades during the kill zone, right? So let that go. Okay, so what we are going to look at today. All right, so what I will be anticipating or the levels that I'll be looking at towards today. So I'm still looking at a scenario whereby the price comes to this particular zone. All right, and here how I'm going to project myself. Let me delete this, even though it's a valid order block that has just been activated, but now only that is not due. It wasn't during the price was here. When it's not during the kill zone. But right now, it's um right now it's at 2 a.m. So the London kill zone has just begun because it's 2 a.m. New York time, right? Which is 9 a.m. Kenyan time. So what we are looking at this particular moment, I'm looking at a scenario whereby in case price drops and breaks below this particular point, then I'll be looking at, so this is the kind of scenario I'm looking at. Price drops, breaks below this point, then now it retraces again now to these levels. I'll be looking for sales because here we will be having, it will have created that particular level as an order block, all right? It will have created that level as an order block, okay? So, Now, with that, that's what I'll be looking at there for sales at this particular point. In case it breaks, remember it has to give us a BOS. At the moment, it has not broken below that level to give us a BOS. Okay, so we have to be patient. Okay, we have to be patient. So, the reason why now I cannot really draw that as an order block because we haven't seen a break of structure, right? And it means if we it does it if it's going to do that, then we are going to get an entry and push the markets all the way down to this level. But of course, remember how I treat myself. I usually look for 100 pips setup, whereby I take my partials profit at 50 pips, that is half my target, and I put my stop loss at break even, right? So in case that doesn't happen, because if you look at what the price is trying to project here, it's likely trying to show us some bullish sentiment coming into play. So in case now it doesn't do that, what we are going to look at is the price taking out these particular liquidities, okay? And breaking above this level, then we'll be looking for some sort of retest to an order block, and then now we'll be looking for buying opportunities, right? Remember, I'm not able to draw that order block because now we haven't seen the price break above, all right? So we have to wait until the price breaks above that particular level, right? So that's what I'm looking at. But like we have said, as you can see, from the 4 hour time frame, the bigger picture here we are seeing is some bit of a consolidation. You see these two trend lines, this trend line, and these are the trend line here. So we are going to see probably maybe a breakout on the upper direction, or maybe even a breakout on the downside. Okay, so whichever side the breakout happens, then that's what we gonna maybe probably try to project ourselves to. Okay, so looking at it that way, so we will be those are what we'll be looking at. But in case of anything, I'll of course alert you. I believe everyone is in the Discord channel. That is the Gold Discord channel. So that in case of anything now, I might be able to I will definitely alert so that now we can be able to engage. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at today. That's what I am looking at today. So let's see what the price is going to give us. But today and tomorrow, I'm not really like actively trading because for me, I already hit my targets. Okay, I already hit my targets. I did this week 28%, and my goal is actually to do 10% per week. So I even exceeded so much. So there is no need to overtrade. But in case I'm going to see a setup, guys, definitely gonna alert each and every person so that now we can be able to engage. Okay, so let's be tuned. Before I end, if you look at the fundamentals today, we are looking at the USD. We are looking at the USD unemployment claims. That's what we are looking at today, right? The unemployment claims at 3:30. So let's see what transpires with that. And apart from that, the other news we have is the GBP, that is the pound interest rates, official bank rate. That's what we'll be having at 2 p.m. and a press conference at 2:30, right? So with that, ladies and gentlemen, you can call it we can call it a day. So make sure you join the Discord channel. I will put the link in the description of this video so that you can be able to join if you're not there, and we will be able to engage from that. Also, the Telegram channel as well. Right. So thank you so much. And with that, I wish you a fruitful day. Stay focused and trade with the purpose.